Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact order and indication. This prevents dangerous dosing errors. Once done, verify baseline serum potassium and renal function and obtain an ECG when indicated, because potassium affects heart rhythm. Prepare the infusion using an Roman 4 infusion pump. Do not push potassium chloride Roman 4 bolus unless specifically ordered. Make sure to select the correct concentration and compatible diluent, and assemble sterile supplies while explaining to the patient what to expect. You now carry out aseptic dilution. Draw the prescribed mEq into the compatible Roman 4 fluid and label the bag with concentration and start time, because clarity prevents misadministration. Once mixed, prime the tubing carefully to eliminate air and set the pump to the ordered rate. Double-check calculations with a colleague or calculator. Start the infusion while monitoring the Roman 4 site, and when required, ensure continuous cardiac monitoring to detect arrhythmias early. You finish by monitoring the patient closely. Check vitals, assess the Roman 4 site for infiltration, and schedule follow-up labs to confirm potassium trends, because overcorrection is harmful. If labs or symptoms change, adjust the infusion rate or stop it, and document every action. Should the patient develop chest pain, palpitations, or new ECG changes, stop the infusion immediately and obtain an urgent serum potassium and ECG. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.